All right, I've got my 2005 Ford Escape here, and we are looking at putting a new battery in because we're getting some snow today and cold weather setting in. I think it's a good idea to check that battery and see how it's sitting. First thing we're going to do is we have to remove this. We have to remove this little plate that comes across here, secures this cover to the battery and keeps the battery from sliding around. So I'm just going to use the pliers here, just loosen these bolts, these two bolts on the top, and unscrew them, and then just remove the bracket. Bracket off. Now, in order to get the cover off, we have to remove the negative and positive connections. So we'll do that now, and then that will allow this piece to come off, because right now it's stuck with the wires in the way. It is a 5/16 is what I'm using on the little bolts here that hold this on. Now with those removed, you can just take the cover and slide it straight up and off. Now that we have all that out of the way, we can go ahead and slide the battery out. So here is the old and here is the new side by side. This is a Motorcraft, Ford Motorcraft Max, and this one we ran to Wally World and got this one today, EverStart Plus, and this one is a little bit wider, but it's still going to fit, and that's what they recommended. Same terminal on the same side, the top terminals, not sides. And you can see on the old one here, you can see that date is pretty unreal. It's from 2013. We are now at the very tail end of 2025. So yes, it is long overdue. We noticed it was starting to start a little harder even in just some of the colder days, not much less when it's snowing outside. So now that it's freezing, this will definitely make an improvement. Whoever had it last probably parked it inside all the time. It was always warmed up and stuff, but not going to be the case with us. This one is 1125, and this one had 590 cold cranking amps. This one's got 600, so it's a little bit tougher battery, but hopefully we get many years use out of this one. Just go ahead and drop it in there. Whoops. I have it in the right way. Once you get it in there, you take your cover again, slide those battery cables out of the way, slide that cover on. Like I said, it's a little bit big, but it's still going to work. Negative on, positive on. Then we're going to use that wrench again, tighten these down, get them nice and snug. Once you get that done, put your bracket back in, and your two bolts or two nuts on top. Hand tight so you can't anymore. All right, so I got the new battery in. Everything tightened up. So in review, all you need to do, battery is located up here in the driver's side of the engine. Super easy to get to. Not like some of these I've had to take the front wheel off and all that kind of crap. Loosen up these 2 bolts, remove the bracket, and then take your negative and positive connections off, and then this cover slides out, and that's it. Put the new battery in, cover back on, replace the terminals, put this plate on, bolt it down, you're good. So if you got some help out of this, give me a thumbs up and watch my channel, as I got a bunch of other videos like this on there, and I'm always working on more. And we'll see you next time. Later.